Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I got yet another review and something truly special to me. This is my absolute dream car. 8th Gen SI, favorite Civic of all time. This is probably my favorite car of all time. And I've driven two S2000s before, both Ap2s, the second generation, the 2.2 liters. And this is a 2002 Ap1 with the 2 liter. The F20C. Very excited to drive it. It's very true to form, very minimal mods, so very nice. We got wheels, rotors, a skunk 2 exhaust, and the hardtop, and that's about it. So keeping very true to form what the car is, and I'm very excited. It's a very timeless car. It looks absolutely stunning. As we take a look on the inside here, everything is very driver focused, tailored to you. Everything in this thing is just pointing towards you. Volume controls, everything, the transmission tunnel, everything's just pointing towards you and is all to you. The passenger is kind of out of the picture. It's a very nice design. It's kind of a baby Viper, if you will. It's kind of like a baby Viper, if you will. It has that really nice long hood, very long hood, lengthy look as well. It is technically a mid-engine car, front mid-engine, as it sits on and behind the axles. As you see, it sits super far. If it's super far to the back, because I mean we got our front wheels here and the engine sits behind that, so it's it likes to rotate very much. Ap1 is kind of known for being very snappy, so we're going to be careful since it is wet out today. But I'm not going to talk too much, and we're going to get really right into the drive with this F20C. It's pushing around 240 horsepower to the crank and 155 foot-pounds of torque on the wet ground. So we're going to be a little careful today, but I'm very, very excited. Let's get to the drive. Let's do this, boys. I'm so excited. Guys, you have no idea how excited I am. I am beyond stoked. Dream car going on right now. Look at this. All right, let's turn on the key here. And then we have an engine start button because fancy. I'm gonna turn that down. Awesome, boys. You ready? Oh, I know I am. Are we ready? The reverse was a push down. Woo! The clutch engagement's a lot different. It's gonna rattle a lot because we got a hard top and not the soft top. Clutch engagement's really high. Very high. And again, this is the Ap1. So we got the 2 liter F20C that revs all the way to 9,000 RPM. Crazy RPM. The design is so cool. It's almost fighter jet inspired, like having all the instrument panels pointing towards you and only you, and the passenger seat has nothing. Nothing is made for the passenger whatsoever. snap oversteer if you don't know how to drive. So you have to stay in it. If you're in a corner going quickly, you cannot let off. Lift off oversteer is the leading cause of problems in this car. Clutch engagement's very high. Wow. Definitely a different experience from the Ap1 for sure. It feels a lot like the comparison between an 8th and a 9th gen SI, with the 9th gen being more torquey and still having a good high end, but that's not what it's focused on. This is all top end, but it still has enough torque sorta to get out of its own way. You're not buying this for the torque though. 155 and but at 240 horsepower with a 9,000 RPM redline, you know, that's what you're buying it for, is that 9 grand redline and that true high-end motorsport feel. You're not getting it for torque. If you're getting torque, you're getting the Ap2, and even then you want to get, you know, something else if you're looking for loads of torque for sure. Wants to pull. I think getting a smaller tire up front and a thicker one in the rear would benefit this car a little more. But you know, this is the guy's daily, so I do understand being able to rotate the tires is a big deal. Is about 6,000, a little past 6,000. I'm not used to the clutch engagement. I think it's a little, I think the clutch is going out a little bit. The car wants to rotate. It'll go where you steer. It's a responsive car. Heel toe is easy. I see what people call this an angrier Miata. That's what it is. quick the car is for being, it just has an exhaust. That's the only power mod it has. 240 horsepower in a 2,800 pound car. Ap1 this year is a 2,809 pound car. A lot of that weight comes from they had to strengthen the chassis since it's technically a convertible, or was one. Inspiring car, and that's almost why it's so dangerous. This is a dangerous car. If you don't know the fundamentals of driving, or you just kind of panic, do a panic brake at a corner because you're going too fast, it could end up being a very bad thing for you. Snap oversteer is a true problem, and if you don't know how to drive it, or you don't know what you're getting into, it could be a real problem. And I'm not sure if you can see the dash very well, but it is so cool. A lot of people call it tacky, which I'll agree with, it is. But man, is it fun. It's modeled after the McLaren F1 car, the MP4 that Ayrton Senna drove in the late 80s. And it truly does look like that, and it's so cool. Stunning car. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. Hey, editing Wyatt here. I realized I cut the video short, so the driving section's done. If you want to get my final thoughts, here it is. I realized I said stunning a lot. But really, that's just the word I have to use. I was at a loss for words. It's just stunning. I love that car. It really is my dream car still. The Ap1 is definitely more my style, more high revs, longer gears, and just it feels really good. Really good. I think if it was me, I wouldn't have those big tires. It makes it like really floaty and want to like track all over the road and kind of pull, since they're just such big tires. I wouldn't go with that if that was me, but it's not my car, you know, and it needs a new clutch. Otherwise, though, it was a really amazing experience, really good car, and I just wanted to end this video on not just cutting off. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to see, put Instagram right here. Hit me up if you want to get your car reviewed, or if you have video ideas, hit me up. Send me some cars on my Instagram, your guys' cars, or email me. That's on my page, on my channel. I want to do a judging subscriber cars. I think that'd be really fun. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.